Hello, this is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto. It's June 29th coming at you here with a meme coin, top secret meme coin reveal. Today we're looking into this. Here's what we have now and where are we going? Well, when Dave was talking about he was going to take the stink out of meme coins, that's it, folks. It's Pepe the Pew meme coin. Yes, you heard it here on my channel, one of the early ones. If you want to get into this, 10 a.m. this morning in Eastern, get into Squid Grow Joe's channel. They're going to be actually doing the launch shortly here. So if you want to get into this one, check out my other channels, videos on this channel, and we talk about what the particulars are around this. It's an ETH stealth launch, so we don't know exactly when the time is going to happen. And you get this one, and it's a meme coin. They do have some mechanics. They're also going to reveal that on Squid Grow Joe's channel. So stay tuned for that, and we'll have an update later today on what's going on in this. It's definitely going to bring it forward. This is going to be a happy one here. We can dance along with Pepe. And again, they're trying to bring the stink back, or take the stink out of meme coins, not bring it back. But anyways, looking forward to this one. Launch is going to happen here probably in another 35 minutes or so. Maybe you're hearing this after the fact. Get into this one early. They're looking at pumping it up as well. There was a pre-sale on this one, 200 holders. So there's, small bags, 0.21%. So looking forward to this one. Definitely an exciting time for the guys at EverEarn. Solid team. They've been in the area for 18 months. So looking for this. The top secret meme coin here has been revealed on Metaverse and Crypto. This is Gordon.